my bill has come down from 800, 900 per month to minimum the 250 rupees or something. So hi, this is Satyanarayana from Hyderabad. You could see my solar PV just behind me. I am standing here. So this is my solar PV 2 kilowatt. I am very much satisfied with the functioning. It is generating around 1300 units in a year or 2600 for this 2 kilowatt system. So that is close to more than 110, 120 units per month per kilowatt. And we have the excellent support system from the Phoenix Energy. The earlier the company was known at that time is Sun Edison. So they were monitoring the generation. So I will get messages, and frequently they will even call to inform us how is the generation and all. They provided a continuous monitoring of the equipment. Every day we can see how many, at any given point of time, how many units it is generated. And they have taken care of the installation very well. You could see behind me, there is on the top of the thing, there is a lightning arrestor. You could see in the picture, lightning arrestor. And the things were perfectly lined up. You could see the installation was designed for a high wind loads, and it is RCC structured thing was kept in for the foundation. And we could have, they were supportive all throughout. Regarding the maintenance, we have hardly any issues with the maintenance, other than washing couple of times the panels whenever they are dirty. And other than that, there is no maintenance for the solar panels. And behind me, you could see the boards, the inverter as well as AC and DC boards there. So they nicely wired those boards all the way. And the generation, as far as generation is concerned, there is absolutely no hiccups. And every couple of months, the person will visit and verify whether everything wiring and all okay or not. So that completely take care of the installation. So I am happy with the installation, and I thank Phoenix Energy for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts. And I recommended to a couple of friends. They also installed the solar PV for their houses. So they were also felt very happy. They generation already 2-3 months back they started that generation too. Mine is 2 years old set, but they started 2 or 3 months back. So in overall, what I say, I strongly recommend Phoenix Energy to be your partner for generating the solar energy. And it will be environmentally friendly also. Anybody installs my bill has come down from 800, 900 per month to minimum the 250 rupees or something. So it's saving and also environmentally friendly whatever we are doing. So I recommend all the houses we have rooftop facility is there, space is there, they should go for it.